Video I will tell you that how to get the voice changer on TikTok. So we will open up TikTok application here, and now I will actually record a video here, and then I will show you. So we will tap on this plus icon here, and now I will just record a video here. Okay, so I will record it with actually my voice. Okay, so here you can see my voice. Okay, so now after this I will tap on this audio editing option here, and now here you can see different kind of audio effects. So let's suppose if I want to use this effect, I will tap on this one, and first of all it will get download, and then now you can play the video. Now here you can see my voice. Okay. Okay, so you can actually try these different type of voice effects here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.